Today we will be using Deepseek R1, a new reasoning model that is beating O1 on various benchmarks, and we can use it for free right now to build pretty much anything we want. Let's try out. You want to click on this website, which is chat.deepseek.com, and you want to come over here and select Deepthink. The greatest thing about this, and I think it's something that O1 doesn't have, is that you can also use search at the same time. So I'm going to start with something simple. Okay, so what I ask it to do is market research. I want it to find me a niche productivity applications that I can deploy using Next.js frontend, and I want zero cost. So let's see what the result will be. So click the enter and it will start thinking. One of the greatest things about this is that as we've said, it also had search. It's free, which is amazing. O1 performance, but in some cases it's going to be worse. But you can also see exactly the thinking process behind it, which I find to be absolutely amazing. So we see exactly how it's thinking. You can also understand that it takes the information in and spits the output. And I asked for productivity applications for free, which is nice. Let's see the result. Again, it takes a little bit of time to generate all of these things. But again, guys, it's free. I have started to, try it out, and I'm super excited to learn how to use it even better. It says flow, minimal productivity application. So it has ambient sounds, a to-do list, time boxing, ad-free lo-fi radio. It also shows us where we can host it and with what tier. So that's a nice result. Task manager. Okay, I don't know what this thing is. Note taking app with markdown. All right, this is interesting. Pomodoro timer and analytics. That's also nice. So I'm going to write again so it enhances like the ideas, and we can also see if it works with old memory. Okay, so what I say is that I want actually to implement them to my website, for my website. I tell it, go over again, search, find ideas and adjust the output to exactly what I want. Maybe my first prompt was a little bit wrong. Maybe I didn't specify everything as correctly as I should. Okay, so time tracking, focus tools, note taking, and documentation, task and project management. All right, so let's give it another try. Okay, so I want it to propose to me viral quizzes that I can implement to attract new users to my website. So let's see. In any case, as it spits out the information we want, make sure to check the link down below. This is my personal website that I have with a friend, and a lot of things that we build on these kind of tutorials are there implemented for you to use. So if you're interested in any of the past videos, or maybe in the things that we are going to build in this video, make sure to check that out. We have a little bit of a latency between posting the video and actually releasing the utilities. We're like 2 to 3 weeks behind schedule. Again, if you want to support the channel, this is a very easy way to do so. I really want to drive traffic to this website and grow it in the next 2 to 3 months. So it gives us a big list of ideas. It also has citations to websites, help us, search more information for specific topics, which is nice. Let's go and try and develop Control V. So this is a website that takes your clipboard and paste it into an image. I tell it, I want you to copy this specific website. I provide the link. I tell it what the utility of the website is and exactly which tools I want it to use. Click the enter button and let's see what the result will be. And guys, in all honesty, it's absolutely beautiful to see this tool thinking out loud. I find this super amazing in all honesty. It really, really excites me. It really excites me to see it lively, thinking out loud. You feel like AI is becoming more alive through this way. Thinking, doing stuff again and again. I absolutely love it. And stay around on this video because maybe I will give you a huge spoiler that you will never find elsewhere. You will be like the first person to know that. It gives us this beautiful list of things. It explains the features. It tells us exactly the instructions that we have to do in order to get all of these things, which is super nice. I really love it. How to use it. This is also very good. You can actually add it to the website. So this is the implementation. So I will try one more thing before we test it out. Hopefully it will work. So what I say is something very simple that optimizes search engine optimization. I tell it, add why and how below the page. So you have the utility, why use it, how to use it. Very, very nice, and we get a very nice result. So we're going to get a TSX file. It's a TypeScript file. We can see it over here, exactly how it sets everything up. Minimum dependencies. I absolutely love it. What I really did not like is that it tries like to avoid, putting out old information. So here you see keep previous state. So you will have to do a little bit of copy pasting. It tells us exactly what it adds, which is also nice. Okay, so what I wanted to do is exactly what I would do. Let's try this out. So I say concatenate everything into a single TSX file, TypeScript file, so we can go ahead and copy it and run it on another LLM. This is the big spoiler, guys. This is such a big spoiler, and I will tell you exactly why it's so important. So we see it, which is nice. I also see it has also the API call, so it has the functionality implemented. I don't expect this to run. I will actually not run it on my editor. If you know any online editors where I can just copy paste JavaScript very easily for free, waste no time, tell me. I think Replit is one of these, but if you have a better alternative, just go ahead and tell me, guys. It will save so much of my time, and it will also improve these videos. I could actually ask Deepseek for that. All right, let's copy this, go to Lama Coder. Lama Coders allows you to use the old version of Deepseek, Llama 3.3, 3.1, 400 billion, Coder. I expect this tool, which is again free, very, very soon to have Deepseek R1 over here, which is going to be massive. And what I really like about this is that it allows you to see a preview of the website you built. All right, so I want it to, run this thing and give me a preview. I don't think I have to add all of these other dependencies. Let's try this out. Hopefully Lama Coder will work for us. On the meantime, I'm going to ask Deepseek if I can try this online for free. Is there any application that I can use to copy paste and try this code? Always use LLMs, always use these amazing tools to get your answer quickly. You don't have to Google search anymore. At least get like alternatives, find exactly what you want. And I think this is absolutely great. So it gives us so many websites that we can, use and check out. So actually Lama Coder was able to do a preview. So let's copy this image. All right, let's go here, download us. Oh my God, it fucking works. However, these guys just replaced the code for us. Also, if Lama Coder is able to just use my old code. So hopefully it does. Okay, so we use Lama Coder to fix some things up. It actually works. Oh, and download works. But you can see how you can use two tools to get a preview very easily, also fix up things. This is very powerful, especially for people that build web applications. This is powerful. So replace pages with the code, npm, install this thing. What I really like about Deepseek, it's that it also has a sidebar chat, which you can use. I really like it. We have like our own project, delete all files on page folder, create new file, paste this code, blah, 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 the original code, install in Replit cell, bottom panel. Where is the cell in the bottom panel? I don't see it. Okay, so let's use Replit assistant. I want you to do these npm installs, man. How am I going to do them? Fuck it, I'm gonna just go ahead and run it. It's not going to run, I know. Control paste, Control V. No signups required. Oh my God, it may actually work. How to open Replit shell? How hard is it? Just tell me, man. Okay, shell. I opened the shell. Okay, I'm going to add Replit on my tool case. I kind of like it now that I, get the workflow. I guess the VM that they give you on Replit is like super slow, which really makes sense. They give it for you for free. So it makes sense that it is cheap and slow. All right, we want to add these things. Okay, we added them. Create a global. So we go to styles. There is a global CSS, and we want to add these things. Tailwind base. I absolutely love this workflow. Online editor runs everything on a VM. Beautiful. You don't have to set anything up on your computer. That looks nice, man. That looks really nice. So let's get this image over here. Oh my God, imagine if it works. Everybody on home, clap for Deepseek. Let's go. We did it! This is amazing! Bro, it's so nice to be a web developer nowadays. Everything is so easy to make. Oh my god. Thank you for watching.